Welcome back to our channel 1-Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problem. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log on into your Humana account. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1-Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Humana Login just like this. After you search for it, first option over here where it says Humana Member Sign In, click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of Humana, and once you're over here, just scroll a bit down, and where it says username, enter the username of your account. Where it says password, enter the password of your account, and click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into your Humana account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1-Step. I'll see you guys in my future video. And yeah, if you forgot your username, you can click on this to recover your username. And if you forgot your password, you can click on this to recover your password as well. So make sure if you forgot your username or password, you can use this option.